Morning lads, welcome to the new year. We're going to bring this one in with a really quick video today. We are in Nusfjord here in Norway in the Lofoten Islands, and there's a trick that I've been doing on my route here. I've been utilizing panoramic photography a lot because I feel like it's an old trick that's been forgotten. And today we're going to talk about it. I'm just gonna plant you in the snow and explain what I mean. Since removing myself from Instagram or any social media platform realistically that I could be on, except for YouTube, it's opened up and changed the way that I look at photography. See, I think panoramic photography kind of died because it doesn't really have a place on Instagram. Like, no one's looking at a panoramic shot. But if you delete social media and you start to be a photographer again, panoramic photography has a huge role to play. For example, here in Nusfjord, down the bottom here, you have this amazing scene. And capturing it in a 16:9 or 3:2 ratio is great, but sometimes you just want more. And I've been using this technique across a lot of Europe, like when you go into a church and you just can't capture the whole thing unless you're taking like a massive pancake lens in. So here I'll go in with my R5 or my R6, and I'll just, doesn't really matter what lens you have, to be honest, and you just take sort of minimum 3 to 4 shots, but the more you take, the better this is going to look. So you just start in the center, and then you just go around, up, left, right, and you just take as many shots as you can. I mean, it really is that simple. You just stop, take a great heap of shots around the scene that you're looking at, and you go into Lightroom, stitch them, and you'll end up with results like this. And if you're not looking specifically to put this stuff on, say, Instagram or Facebook, it's really good. Like for me, I can put it here on YouTube and you can see my images. Or if for myself, I can put them in my photo books, print them, put them on my walls. Like this is what photography is. Photography is for me and you, and that's what it needs to get back to, I think. But yeah, this has been a really quick one. Bringing in the new year with a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you go. Cheers lads, Slàinte Mhath.